Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's Umuoji TV here again. On today's travel vlog, I made a road trip from Nkpor in Anambra State to Nnobi and Etiti to be precise. So I visited this axis to see what this area looks like this 2024. Though I've been passing through this route for quite some time, but for the past, I think for the past 4 years or thereabouts, I've not been able to visit this area again. So yesterday I decided to visit this particular place in Anambra State, and lo and behold, this place, I think this particular route was tied under Ngige, for that for during those time, all this area we are looking so beautiful and nice. So down to inland town to the Alo bypass, to Alo bypass, and to this Nnobi and the rest. So all we are looking so okay and beautiful towards that during the time of Ngige. So after Beach will be where Obiano took over, and by now everywhere is looking so messy. But this time around, Soludo is now doing a little thing about the road. So but I'm not here to talk about the road. I'm just trying to show you that there's construction going in, reconstruction and the road maintenance going on in that axis, and also show you the looks of the area down to Nnobi. I couldn't capture the one down to Etiti, but I captured from here to Nnobi, then capture her for Nnobi, which I've shared in my shorts, but I'll still be leaving the for markets in this video also. So there's a lot of road reconstruction, road maintenance going on in this area, even though I couldn't capture all of them because one or two things happened, so I couldn't capture the areas. But a lot of work is going on, starting right from after the Nkpor Park, coming down, you will start seeing road maintenance. At least I don't know if they are trying to widen the road more, or maybe cover some some side of the road which you are not tied before, and also try to maintain where the road has crack and rest. So before the inland town side, you see where a very big reconstruction is also ongoing. Then from that axis around that inland town side down to somewhere again after the inland town, you also see where they are constructing a kind of a big canal for for erosion, because I think that area is currently being disturbed by erosion. So they are somehow constructing a very big canal to help contain the erosion in that axis. So big canal is being erected there, then leaving there down to other places. In short, all that road starting from Nkpor down to Nnobi is under reconstruction and maintenance. There is a lot of reconstruction and road maintenance along that axis, a lot. And one thing I love about this road is after Alo, once you pass Alo bypass, because along this road you will see a kind of a road that leads to Alo. So after you're just past that Alo bypass, then heading down, you get to one river or so. There's one little river downside. I don't know the kind of mistake they made on that particular side, So there was a river. If you are going to Nnobi, there's a river by the right hand side, and I don't know what they are trying to do on the other lane. and all of a sudden water start pumping out from that area. So I couldn't capture them. I'm just an eyewitness that saw. So but I couldn't video, So before I could, get my camera, our motor has already swum off. So I don't know if they are trying to, a kind of parking sound from that particular axis. Then all of a sudden water pump out from that side. So they are currently suspending the work in that area, then looking for what to do about it. Well, I can tell you that all this road is under maintenance and reconstruction. So the road is under maintenance and reconstruction. We also pass through along that Umuoji, after Nkpor, you get to Umuoji. Then you also see Matamabili School. From Matamabili School, you head to other places. So from that water area down, we start seeing some, at both sides of the road, start seeing something that looks like a kind of mini forest. So the area is looks like mini forest, somewhere they are, cultivating trees or the rest. But that side looks also beautiful. And this road during the Ngige period, this road we are tied. They are still tied, but they were new during those days. But now it's getting old. But thank God that Soludo is doing something about the road. So some of the road are still in their good state, while some parts need serious work, which they are currently doing. So a lot of work is going on. And another thing I love about this particular place which I visited is immediately you arrive at Nnobi, that market side in Nnobi, that particular market in Nnobi, I think straight road leads you to or Dick side, roundabout somewhere. Dick side will lead you to Etiti. Then this side is I think we start heading to the down to where they were selling goods, coke and other things inside that December 4. But I saw something that I so much love, like something they did in a coca, by kind of securing the market by putting something like burglary proof along the road, to keep marketers or keep people that are selling along the road off the street. So they kind of build that burglary so that if you cross over it, then you are looking for government trouble. So they put that burglary proof around that market to help maintain law and order, so that people will not be selling along the road and the rest. So that's the kind of thing they did in Awka, which I have showed you in one of my videos. So but not the type they did in Awka. This type is somehow done. It somehow looks like a normal burglary, but the Awka type is very, very tall. It's somehow tall. This one is down, so it's not that big. So they did it across the whole market, on both sides of the market. They use that to round it out, round it up. So, and it's looking so neat and nice. So we also went to Etiti, which I could not capture, but we went to Etiti. In short, all the roads in this axis, all of them need maintenance because they are currently in their bad states, but not every part. Most of the parts along this road needs a total maintenance or rehabilitation. So it has been long since this road was constructed under Ngige. So the road was initially constructed under Ngige, so it has been long. It has been very, 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 very long. So that is it. And today we also thank God that somebody remembered the road and doing something about it. So guys, in case I could not finish talking throughout the whole video, you can continue with the rest of the video and watch and see how the whole place is looking. But bear in mind that an absolute work is going on here. Understand? Maintenance, reconstruction, and others are going on in this road. You know, and especially that big canal they are constructing, I think, in front of Inland Town or just after Inland Town. So this is all I have to tell you about this particular area. So in case if you have any other thing to talk about or tell us about this area, kindly drop them via our comment section, and you know, click on the thumb up button, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified each time we drop a new video. And don't forget to share, it's very, very important. Don't forget to comment. Don't just like and leave, try to comment so we know what is your thoughts about this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day.